Could your child have an allergy? Hello everyone, I am Dr. Deepak Gandhi, pediatrician and allergist working in Dubai. And today I want to ask you a few simple questions about your child. Does your child sneeze frequently, especially in the morning? Does he or she often have a runny nose or a blocked nose? Do you notice your child rubbing their nose all the time or making that little upward nose rub? Does your child snore at night or sleep with their mouth open? Maybe you have even found yourself reminding them, close your mouth over and over again. If you are nodding your head to yes, don't ignore these signs. Now let me ask you a few more questions. Does your child have repeated episodes of coughing or wheezing? Do they become breathless after just a short run or while playing and take much longer than other children to recover? Have you ever rushed to emergency just because your child suddenly developed chest tightness, wheezing, or difficulty in breathing? These symptoms are often dismissed as just a cold or weak immunity, but sometimes they point towards something much more common, means allergies. Allergy may not mean that immune system is weak. It suggests immune system is working extra, which is not needed. An allergy doesn't just affect the nose. It can involve the airways, the lungs, the skin, and even your child's sleep, concentration, energy level, and quality of life. And the good news is that we don't always have to keep guessing. In my clinic, I perform skin prick allergy testing, and we use comprehensive panel of high-quality allergens to help identify the triggers that may be causing your child's symptom. Once we know what's triggering the allergy, we can create a personalized treatment plan to reduce symptoms, prevent flare-ups, and help your child breathe, sleep, play, and live more comfortably. If your child has been experiencing these symptoms, do not ignore them. Let's work together to find the cause and make your child's life healthier, happier, and easier. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.